Okay. Alright. So what happened when you pee-peed in your pants? What happened?
When a little bit pee, a little bit pee though.
Where'd you pee-pee at?
Right there.
You pee-pee right there?
Uh-huh.
On your pants?
Yeah.
Where are you supposed to pee-pee at?
Toilet.
Oh, toilet?
Uh-huh.
Oh. So how come you pee-peed on your pants?
'Cause I'm making tracks, so I'm going in the toilet, I'm peeing in the toilet, I pee on my pants.
Oh, so did you put some PJs on?
Yep.
Now back up a little bit so I can see your PJs. Wow, Connor, that's spiffy.
Are you recording that?
Connor, come here.
Huh.
Come here, I want to talk to you. Come here.
What?
So did you pee-pee a lot? Did you pee-pee on the floor?
No.
Just on your pants?
Yep.
Okay.
A little bit.
Yes, just a little bit?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. Hey, can you say your French words for me? Can you say bonjour?
What?
Can you say au revoir?
Awa.
Can you say merci?
Merci.
Can you say merci beaucoup?
Merci beaucoup.
Can you say bienvenue?
Melbo.
Can you say fromage?
Fromage.
Can you say jambon?
Jambon.
Can you say hi to grandma?
Hi, Grandma.
Can you say I love you?
I love you.
Can you say I love you, grandpa?
I love you, Grandma.
Can you say hi to Cassie?
Hi, Cassie.
Do you want to say anything else?
No.
Are you sure?
Record me.
Are you sure, Connor?
Yep.
Do you like school?
Yep.
You do?
Uh-huh.
Come here. What do you?
Pencils?
Hey, what do you like? What do you like about school?
This. I got water, 2 waters.
Oh, you get 2 waters?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. All right, you can go color.
Yep.
Thank
Can
you.
record
I love
me?
you.
I love you too. Can you record me?
Come over here.
No,
Do you have something you want to talk about?
I love school.
You do love school?
Uh-huh.
Do you like it a lot better than States?
Yes.
What do you like about school?
Well, we get to make some stuff. It's very cool, and we get to play outside, and we go to math, and today we finished this 100 dino piece. I did it before too with other classmates.
Oh, so why do you like Belgium? Put your shirt down.
Because there's Kinder Eggs, good cheese pizza at my school, and there's some good food here I like better than Georgia's.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh.
Are you excited about playing soccer?
And I have a better soccer team.
Oh, really? You haven't met your soccer team. How do you know it's better?
Because how do I know the shirts?
The what?
The shirts,
What about the shirt?
they tell you what color you are for the soccer team,
Oh, okay.
and I have met them.
Awesome. So,
And some people in my class are on my team.
Awesome.
Ole and Honza. They speak German because they're from Durban.
they're from Durban?
German.
Oh, okay. So, do you like fries here? I guess it's a no.
No.
So you just like the Kinder Eggs and the pizza? That's it?
No.
What else?
Well, the chicken balls I like.
Oh, you like the chicken ball? Okay.
That's funny.
We get those as a commissary.
And I like the chips here.
Yeah, really, we get those at the commissary too, so those are in America.
And
You like McDonald's here?
Yeah. And
Okay.
Burger King.
Oh,
I
okay.
like the black brownies.
Oh, okay. Alright, well, hey.
And I like to brush my animals. I did that last night, all of them.
Okay, cool. Hey, can you say goodbye to Grandma and Grandpa?
Goodbye.
Can you say I love you?
I love you.
Can you say goodbye to Cassie?
Goodbye, Cassie.
Can you say goodbye to Brittany?
Goodbye, Brittany.
What are you doing? You're dancing? Dance again.
Goodbye, Brittany.
Alright, say goodbye.